Welcome to Outlaw Edge. So today I'm working on Rogue. Saturday is our car show, and this was sitting in here, and I figured I was gonna mess around with it for a little bit. Kind of getting bored of cleaning the shop and doing all that stuff. I got the grill just kind of mocked up sitting in there. I need to build the mounts for that. And body work and welding, fabrication, the whole works. Just screwed my knee up. Dropped the car on me, cut my arm all up like a dumbass. It was wobbling around on the jacks, and I went to drop it and caught myself inside the fender well. But anyways, a lot of stuff that I'll be doing to the car. I want to try to get back on this. I miss working on it, and excuse me, I'd like to see it going down the road. One of the hangups right now was the hinges for the doors, but I finally got that all figured out. So right here, when I built this car, I made this out of 1/4-inch solid plate right here, this side piece, and then this piece here, and this is for strength. And this is gonna be a 2x4 tubing laid on its side going this way. And then I gotta cut a notch in this, in the body right here, that'll come down. And that'll be for the hinges, and I'll show you what I'm doing there. And then there's the bear claw setup that will go in the front. This will have suicide doors on it, but it'll also have another style, Lamborghini style doors on it, you know? And I'll kind of post a pic of what I'm doing here. So I took 2x4 tubing, and I finally got it mocked up and figured out every way I want to do it so that I could run those style doors on this car, because I was dead set on doing the Lamborghini style doors on here with the suicide. The other way was where they open normal and then they go up, and I didn't want that. So I reversed these hinges. This is the passenger side. I'm putting it on the driver, flipping it upside down, and then the other one's opposite. Driver side, flipping it upside down, you know. So I mocked it up on the welding table, and then this is the, you know, I'll build the mounts here, and then it's gonna be really strong here. Inside I'll have another mount, and then the window will go up and down in here, but I'm gonna build some, you know, some gussets and everything. This is just a mock-up is all it is. And then when I get everything finished, I can weld the skin of the door on the outside. The skin for the doors, that shape is already finished. It's already done, so it's in the next shop over right here. But this will get cut, not this piece, but that will get cut right there, like where I was showing you guys, and then this is gonna get mounted inside that. But I'll do some more update videos soon, and as soon as I do that, I'll film some more. But there's gonna be a lot of fabrication, a lot of adjusting, you know, so I can get the door skins perfect where I want them. But we'll see what happens. So when I put that big brace in the side of a Rogue right there, the reason for that is this hinge setup is going in there. So that takes place of this here. Obviously this is going this way, but there's gonna be one of these welded inside there. And then the doors will open suicide style. This is just a mock-up, obviously. So there's your stop, your detent, and then you lift up on the door. Oops. And then when the door goes down and clicks, you go back and click it in, but to the hinge or to the latch, but I can't because I got a vice grip right there.